Okay, Abhishek. Then what's going on, Abhishek? You're feeling nervous or not?
Sir, something.
Okay. How are you? Fine now?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
Okay. Yeah, me too. I'm also good. So the first question is from my side. Can we have a short description about yourself?
Yes, sir. First of all, hello, and good evening, everyone. I am Vishek Singh, and I'm from Jamshedpur, and I'm the college student. I'm the student of Sakshi campus, Karim City College, and I'm also the student of MMDC Club. And I want to be a radio jockey. And thank you so much.
Great. Over to Shreya ma'am. Shreya ma'am, are there?
Yes. Good evening, Abhishek.
Good evening, ma'am.
So compare your day 1 to the day 21 or right now.
Yes, sure. First day, I was nervous about the communication skills and all of this thing. That first day I was nervous that how can I do this, and how can I facing the peoples, and how can I face all of the things. But now I can say that I can face it, and I am not fear about it. Thank you so much.
Okay, Abhishek.
Okay. Abhishek, can you just say which week of MMDC process is more interesting, and which process which you like most? I mean, that which is more important from your side?
Actually, from my side is video creating is more important, because if you are in a room, if you are alone, then no one is judging you, and no one will judge you, and you can make videos. You can try you can try one by one. If you are facing the hesitation, then you can make also on in other time. If you don't have time in that time, then you can make in the other time. You can make the video without hesitation, because there are you, no one is here, and no one is judging you. Thank you so much, sir.
Great. So from your side, video is much more important, na?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Shreya ma'am.
Yes, Abhishek. So tell me how to make our MMDC a more better platform.
Actually, I don't think so that anything which need to change to make MMDC more improve, which MMDC don't need to any improvement, because it is perfect from my side. Thank you.
Okay, Abhishek.
Yes.
Gurudas.
Yes, Abhishek. How do you know about the MMDC club?
Okay. Firstly, when I add from the Rotaract club, then after that we meet to the Shreya ma'am from the chat box, and after that she told me about the MMDC club, and firstly I was not ready to join the MMDC club. Then after that she said that or time you can try. If you will not like, then you can leave. Then after that I would join it, and now I'm here. Thank you.
Kalyan.
Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Kalyan. SG Raju. We'll come back to Kalyan. SG Raju.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Yes,
Good evening.
Sir, I want one question about English speaking.
Yeah.
What did you put efforts before MMDC platform to fluency your English?
What are the other methods that you have tried before?
Yes, tried before
MMDC.
MMDC.
Okay.
Otherwise, this is the first platform to learn this type of fluency.
No, I never tried to other option to learn to communication skill or the English. Actually, my grammar was good, but I was not able to communicate anything, and I was hesitate, and I was feared to communicate with any other person and conversation with any other person. So no, not other things which I tried in the past to for the English and for the communication. Yes, thank you.
Did you have any English environment?
So repeat it, please.
Do you have any English environment at
English
your home?
environment, like your friends, your
No, sir.
family
Actually,
members?
I don't have any English involvement because my father and my mother is also don't know about the English, because my mother person from the village, and there was not education about the English and all of the things. And my father also pursuing from the village, and he is pursuing the metric, and so no other environment and no any environment I found in the I never found any the environment about the English. So
Not only
no,
in your home, other than that, your relatives or your friends in your office or colleagues?
actually, sir, no.
No. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
Azad.
That's my side.
Yes, Azad.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Listening a good video conversation impress our fluency a lot. This is a statement. Once again, I repeat, listening a good video improves our fluency a lot. This is a statement. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir. I'm agree about it, because where
If you agree, which type of videos do you suggest for upcoming learners like me and others?
listen. Hello, I'm
Abhishek,
able.
Yes,
Abhishek
you're
Singh,
audible.
Yeah.
do you agree with this statement? If you agree with this statement, which type of videos do you suggest for upcoming learners like me and others?
Okay, sir. Sir, in my point of view, actually. Hello.
Yeah, it's audible.
Yes, sir. Which type of video, sir? Can you please, sir, repeat the question? Actually, your voice is not clear.
Which type of videos do you suggest for upcoming learners? Which type of videos are useful for learners? Those who have enhanced their fluency. So
Yes.
we like your suggestion.
Yes. I suggest to the others to the motivations video, and also the video which is grow their communication skills. And I want to suggest to upcoming learners to that type of video. And like first day, I am motivated with the Amit sir suggest me that please watch the Netflix movies and all of the that thing which is growing your English. And literally I want to suggest same of the upcoming students.
Thank you, sir.
What you're
Over to
saying
Amit,
is, yes, you're saying is basically you have to watch those movies, those webinars, those particular, web series. Those are important, and
Yes.
motivational videos will also help. Any further
Yes.
questions from anybody in the group now? Final questions. Hina, you want to ask something? Shilpa ma'am, Sai sir, anybody?
May I?
Yes, Hina.
Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Sir, after 21 days or till now, what improvement you are seeing in yourself?
Firstly, I was hesitant and I was fear about the communication skill. I was fear that how the people thought about how the people will think about me. And I was hesitant and I was really nervous about that. How can I speak front of the pupil. But now I can speak fluently, and I can speak without any hesitation and fear. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I got my answer.
Sai? Sai, you're there?
Hi, Abhishek. How are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
Doing good. I already told you I'm big fan of your voice, and I just hear that you want to become a radio jockey. No need to prepare more. This video, whatever you are putting in our MDC team, that is give
Yes.
good experience to you.
Thank
And
you,
tell
sir.
me one thing. Actually, you are saying that you want to become a radio jockey. For that,
Yes, sir, yes.
that voice, everything you are more like that, or it's your voice is from your childhood like that.
Actually, sir, this voice is from my childhood. Actually, yes, sir, this voice is from my childhood. Actually, I was when I was in school. I did anchoring in my school. Then the DM was there, and they said me about it that your voice is good and you can try in the radio jockey. And that time I motivate with their words, and that's the reason. So,
Great. Just it's curious to me to know like that. Okay. And one more question. Actually,
yes.
I watching your videos, and that is very short and point to that content and all. Are
Yes.
you researching on that, or it's your own content?
Actually, sir, it was my own. Sorry, sir. Actually, it is my own content, sir. It
Okay,
comes
just I
on
want.
movie. Yes, sir.
Actually, compared to my videos, just I'm doing that videos without researching and all. So
Yes,
today I saw Amit sir comments. So before doing any video, that researching is more important. So I will
yes,
do,
sir.
sir. And okay, that's it from my end.
Okay, I think Kiran has asked one question. Last question for the day. The question from my side is, what is the position of your English before MMDC and now? What is your position of English, Abhishek, before MMDC and now? That is what Kiran wants to know.
Yes. Firstly, I want to say that I was really hesitant about the English, and my English communication skills was very low, and actually I always choose the option 2 for Hindi. I never chose the option 1, but now I can choose the option 1 for English to talk in the English, and
Call center.
for the mic, yeah, for communicate them. So that's you can see the growth of the English in first day and in the last day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. I think you've covered the questions properly. There were some problems here and there, but I think the confidence, because I remember the day when you had come, there was a lot of stammering, there was a lot of pauses you used to take. A lot has improved, and trust me, in the videos that you're sending on a daily basis, I go awestruck with the kind of English that you use. So yes, the process should not stop. The learning should not stop. You should keep on making more videos to become even better. May you become a radio jockey very soon. May you become that $1 million communicator that we're talking about. But trust me, you're already in the process, and it's a great job that you're doing already. So keep on doing the good one. I think Shilpa has a question, but Shilpa, I just wanted to Shilpa, let's take one more final question from Shilpa, and that's it. Shilpa.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Abhishek.
Good evening, ma'am.
Question is, what practice you do before making a video?
Actually, ma'am, I never practice. I make the video, and if when my video is doing wrong, then after that I take other take, actually after that, and I try to 1 and 2 take. Then after that I make the video. I never practice it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, very good. It's relevant answer.
Perfect answer. I think this is what our students used to do earlier also. And I have been telling, even today, I told the same thing in that initial part of the meeting. I said that you should practice. You should practice
Yeah.
deleting your not so good videos. You make a video, you don't like it, delete it, again create it. And we have a record at MMDC. We had somebody by the name of Sudeep Chaudhary. He took 41 retakes to get one video right. He took 41 retakes. I don't think many of you are taking that kind of a stress right now, but trust me, that is the process. One more trick that I can give you, go and create YouTube shorts. Because YouTube shorts, what will happen is, it will not allow you to speak beyond 1 minute. The timer will be on. It's one extra tension in your head now. With YouTube shorts, one extra tension in your head. You have to complete your entire content in 1 minute. Beyond that, it will just say, okay, now it's time for another YouTube short. You cannot create it beyond that 1 minute. So you're mentally strained to speak whatever content you have in 1 minute. And that will be testing your level to the next level. Or try creating Insta Reels, speaking in front of the camera. If you don't like it, delete it. But this one strategy can elevate your confidence to the next level, because speaking in a less time, in a short time frame, is very, very important. That will help all of you, I guess. So keep on trying